Gagala tayo ngayon, guys. Ang maglola, oh, nasa bus stop. Ayan, nag-aantay kami ngayon ng bus. Kasi, Saturday ngayon, and alam nyo naman pag Saturday ay may work si Alwin. Pero syempre, ayaw natin masayang ang weekend or yung araw natin. So, naisipan namin na gumala-gala muna ngayon. Cloudy yung weather. Yan, hindi naman ganun kalamig, pero pinag-jacket ko rin sila mami kasi iba na rin kapag nasa labas. Yan, para mas sure. And so naisipan namin na mag-tour ngayon sa Calgary Public Library sa downtown. Yan, para din makita na ni mami yung napakagandang library dito sa Calgary. So, meron siyang very architectural design. I don't know if nakita nyo na yun sa previous vlog ko. Pero, na yun super tagal na nung huling bisita ko doon. Kasi, yun pa yung time na international student tayo. So, ngayon na lang ulit para, di ba, malibang-libang si mami at hindi mainip dito sa Canada. So ngayon ay na-register ko na si mami for Calgary Transit kasi nga magbabas kami and magti-train. So syempre kailangan may pamasahe. Although pwedeng naman magbayad ng cash pero convenient kapag nasa phone na, itatap mo na lang. So mag-aantay na lang tayo and it's coming in 1 minute. Alright? So guys, ito yung first bus experience ni mami. Zion, say hi. You having fun? Gusto niya yan sa window seat.
Parehas kami pag masok sa bus.
Ayan, panay video na naman si mami.
Gusto ko yung nasa window seat ako.
May kaagaw ka. Window seat. You like window seat? So, sabi ko kay mami, dito ako bumababa for the next bus kapag pumapasok ako. Pero ngayon, hindi kami bababa dahil magte-train kami after. Since we're going to downtown. Meron ding ditong bus pa downtown pero matagal pa eh. Kasi nga Sabado.
Magtatapoy tayo ng
So yan guys, nandito na tayo sa bus stop kung saan tayo mag-aabang ng next bus. Zion, how's the experience? Window seat talaga agad siya kasi gustong-gusto niya. Kamusta ang bus experience mo?
Sarap kasi highway eh.
Ano masasabi mo sa bus dito sa Canada?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Siyempre first time ko okay
Tinatap
naman.
mo lang
Okay
yung
naman.
card, wala nang singila na may
Aralin
mga
ko pa.
konduktor, di ba?
Aralin ko pa yung ano yung nasa app ko na itinatap doon.
Oo, so tinuturuan na rin natin mag-commute.
Tapos nakita ko na school, parang malapit lang naman.
Oo, sinabi ko na rin, nadaanan kasi namin yung school ni Zion.
Sayang dito ka lang, baka may...
So, ito na yung next bus natin. Dili ko na lang siya. And dyan na tayo sasakay kasi yan ay papunta na ng downtown. Yan, sakto na yan. Hindi na tayo maglalakad ng malayo.
Paano yung ating tatap natin, di ba?
Oo. So, yan. Nandito na tayo. After 40 minutes doon sa second bus. So, medyo matagal-tagal din yun. Naantok si Zion.
And I sleep 7 minutes.
7 minutes daw siyang natulog. So, ito na ang ating napakalaking Calgary Public Library.
And there's a playground.
Oh, nakita niyo agad ang playground, daycare center. So, tingnan niyo guys, napakaganda ng pagkakagawa dito. Milyones ang ginastos. Ma-amaze si mami sa loob. Let's go! So yan guys, dito na tayo sa entrance. Pero syempre, video muna ang agenda ni mami. Don't come here. Diba? Tingnan nyo naman yung taas na.
Guys, look at that moving king.
Ha?
And then look at that moving king.
Right. So, pasok na tayo. Yan, tingnan namin kung makapagpalista kami for tour. Although may kasama kaming bata. Alright? So, ito na guys, ang ating Calgary Public Library. Grabe, amazing oh. Tingnan nyo naman ang pagkakagawa. state of the art. Diba? So, hindi kailangan ng maraming ilaw kasi naka-design siya na ganito. Makikita yung araw. Ano ma? So, nasa entrance pa lang kami.
Ganda ng structure.
So, meron ding Ultimate Summer Party. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito. But, yeah, today is Saturday. Go check kung ano yung gawa natin for Zion then. Are you excited? Minecraft. Okay, let's go walk. Come on. Ano man masasabi mo? Nasa entrance pa lang tayo. So, tapos, very huge. Tapos, ang ganda nung architecture.
Ganda. Ganda kaya rin. Nalulula ka.
Is nakapagpa-register nga pala tayo sa tour dito. Yan, mayroong free tour kasi dito everyday ng 12 to 1 p.m. So, na-register din natin si Mami. And yan, pwede daw somehow kasama si Zion as well as Behave. Kasi, ano din yun, preferred ay adults. So, anong masasabi mo sa library? First impression?
Napakalaki. Very huge talaga. Ang ganda ng architecture niya. Ganda ng
Yan, pakita
pagkakagawa.
natin.
Ang ganda pakita mo. So, nakakamangha.
Di may gusto kasi mag-vlog eh, oh.
And guys, look it.
Guys, look at it. Oh, yan ang kanya. So, akyat muna kami na hagdan. I think meron pa kaming 30 minutes until mag-tour tayo. Para din ma-feel ni Mami na turistang-turista siya. At may, tourist guide. So, let's go upstairs. Diba? Right, oh.
Kami.
May vlogger tayo sa likod. Tapos meron ditong ano ba to? Napakagandang artwork. What's that? No, it's not a bear. Oh, come on. Parang ano siya, toro. Diba mga letters yun?
It's a bull cow.
It's a cow? No, it's not a cow. I'll take a picture of you. So yan guys, washroom muna tayo. And sa first floor pa lang, nakakita naman na kami agad ng washroom. And napakaganda niya. Kompleto, lahat ng kailangan nyo nandyan na. Tapos, ito si Zion. Snacks time muna. And habang tayo ay nag-washroom and balak namin akyatin yung children's library. Yan, para ma-explore din to habang nag-aantay kasi may 30 minutes. So, sayang din naman. Tingin natin kung ano yung pwedeng ma-explore. Yan, habang wala pa yung tourist guide. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa children's library. Katabi lang nito yung like coffee shop. May mga bubble tea and sandwiches din.
Is our mom there?
Sayo, no? May train. Oh my gosh. Oh, then, let's look for your books. Pwede mag-borrow ng books ang mga kids dito up to 99 pieces, ma. Up to 99 books.
Yung uwi sa bahay?
Oo, like 3 weeks and then pwede mag-automatic renew. Oh, let's go. Do you want to borrow books? Let's go. Later na lang pala para hindi pa natin bit-bit. Daming books, guys.
Hello.
Zion!
It's got another one.
Ang lawak, guys, no? Ang lawak. So, kapag wala ka talagang gagawin, gusto mo banding kayo ng kids, sangkatutak na books, guys. Ayan, no? Zion, you want to borrow books? What?
Mommy.
Oh, there's a playground now. Ayan na, let's go to playground. Meron ding parang play area to. You remove your shoes and you can play, okay? Zion, go! May akyatan din sila dyan. Ang ganda. So, may nakita si Zion dito. Ayan, pwede mag-draw. Draw sila ni Lola. Nagsawa agad dun sa playground.
I did it.
You having fun? This is a very big play
I want to make a
area.
6, 7.
6, 7 na naman, no? So, nag-crayon yung mga kids dito before. Grabe, millions of books yata yung nandito. Kaya pwede mahiram ang mga kids up to 99 books at a time. So, start na yung tour namin. Napakabait nung magtutour sa amin. So, okay lang daw mag-film. Yan, habang kami ay nagtutour. Yan, so, may kasama kaming mga kagrupo. Nakaka-excite. Kala mo bagong-bago dito eh. Pero kasi nga, hindi ko rin to alam yung buong Calgary. So, we'll see. Ayan guys, dito pala mag-check out ng books. Ayan o, ikaw na yung mag-check out ng sarili mong mga books. Hindi na kailangan ng assistance. And kapag magre-return ka, ayan, dito mo ilalagay yung books. So may barcode to. Madedetect na binalik mo yung books na hiniram mo. Ayan, so let's go. Ayan, tinutour pa rin tayo. At least natututo rin tayo kung ano yung mga sinasabi niya, tinuturo niya, even this one. Sa harap ko pala yung Studio Bell. Yan, napakalaking music museum yan dito sa Calgary. And sabi nung tourist guide pala namin, yan, this coming Canada Day, which is Wednesday, ay baka daw, ayan na, free entrance yan kasi Canada Day yon. And then, maraming food trucks na ilalagay dyan. Kung free kayo, ayan, feel free to visit dito sa downtown. Like, isang bus or train lang, depende sa location ninyo. Pero, maraming activities nga araw this coming Canada Day. So, let's tour muna yung mga areas. I think dito rin kami dumaan kanina, papunta sa Children's Library. Ang ganda talaga ng library na to. So, sabi nga nung tour guide namin, don't judge the book by its cover. Yan, ang daming napaka-gagandang libro dito. Diba? And, libre lang manghiram, lalo na kapag residents kayo. So this one is a buffalo. And very important daw yung role na piniplay sa indigenous culture.
Pencils and things like that. So they use every little piece while they sing. During the hunt, every person and in doing those jobs, that's
Dito pala si Spider-Man tsaka si Rumi. So after the tour, pupunta tayo dyan kasi hanggang 2:30 naman to para si Zion naman. Diba? Zion store naman.
My favorite is Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Yeah, we'll go there. Yeah. Sundan lang natin yung tour guide.
Ah! Ah!
So fish daw to guys, yung image na to. Kita naman. So sinasabi rin kung sino yung gumawa. 'Di ba? Marami din siyang ginawa din daw sa baba. Very artistic. So kung may kids, meron din tayong teens. So this one is 13 to 19 years old.
the books in here are books that are interesting to teens, like a lot of
So pwede kayong mag-research dito, Google, Net. Free lang yan dito sa Calgary Public Library. And kung gusto nyo ng individual room or production studio, free of charge din yan. Yan, pwede nyong i-rent. So kailangan nyo lang i-book yan. Like on Saturday. Oh, ito naman. Oh, very big headsets, headphones, ayun. Ma-experience mo. Try natin. Go.
Also, before we cruise through here, we're going into the digital commons area. So we
Picture mo.
here to help anyone, newcomer, old people, young people with
Akin na, I'll take a picture. Akin naman. So ito parang boardroom din na pwede nyong i-rent And free of charge. So, basta i-book nyo lang para sa inyo dedicated yung space. Like this one. Kung gusto nyo kasama yung ibang tao or kung gusto nyo private. So, eto. Yan. Kapag big function naman, pwede rin dyan mag-book. So, diba, ang dami. Kung wala kayo internet sa bahay, diba? Or after school, pwede nyo ditong gawin yung assignment nyo. Dito rin ako dati gumawa ng assignment. So, akyat ulit tayo. Ang ganda, no? So, another great spot dito sa Calgary Public Library. Perfect. Mag-relax. Tambay, inom ng coffee. Ganda nito. Mapapicture yan si Mami sa akin. Pero eto na yung Bow Valley. Makikita from here. Superstore. Let's go. Ito yung Bow Valley, guys. Taas namin. And dito yung C-Train pa City Hall. So yun guys, ito na yung C-Train na. May mga sumasakay na. Antayin niyang umandar para mapakita. Amazing. Oh.
So this blows my brain every time I talk about it. This,
Mami.
and again, the vision and what this is in the community is like.
Another area pero dapat dito quiet lang. Pero dinig din na yung music from downstairs. Ganda mag-aral dito. Kung may gantong library sa Pinas, mas ganado tayo mag-aral. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda sa corner na to. Ang daming mga quotable quotes.
And guys, look at the kids.
Yeah.
Look at the kids.
Look at the kid. Is that you?
No.
No. Gates to the future.
These guys.
Ayan, tawag na tayo. Everyone is welcome in this space. Kung gusto mo mag-pray, yan, mag-show ng faith mo, interfaith room yan.
It's nice. It's a way better temperature in here.
The last stop na ng aming tour, Indigenous Languages Resource Center. And ito daw yung favorite spot niya sa lahat-lahat.
Here's called the Children's Lodge. It's my favorite place, and I have a secret key that nobody's in it. So we're gonna
Zion, it's so
when they
cute.
were chasing the bison around. Now they do this. They teach their traditional ways. They
Mga indigenous. Oh, nice Zion. Zion. Ayan yung chair pa nila, oh.
So and everyone's like, it smells a little bit different. Does anyone know what that is? Yeah. So there's a tradition for Indigenous people called smudging, where they burn the sage and sweetgrass. So this is one of the little crafts that they do here for the kids. Teach them how to make the little bundles that will be burned. This is the only area in the library that we are allowed to do a smudge, and it's because of this guy here. Because otherwise we would smoke out this place so fast and it would be mayhem. I don't think there's ever been a fire.
Indigenous culture ng Canada,
Yeah,
guys.
so that would be sad. So there's that. So there's a lot of things going on. I want us to pay attention to this table. Because this is
Sa
where it all
akin,
comes together, you
katutubo.
guys. This is it. So,
Yeah.
this table here was built by a local Indigenous artist. The wood is not Canadian though. It was donated to her by it came from Texas actually. So big honking tree from Texas. She made this table. Her and her son found the objects, and they all represent something very deep and meaningful to Indigenous people here in Canada. Like there's a nod to residential schools. There's murdered and missing women and girls. There's also the murdered and missing men and boys. There's a spike for the
So yun guys, natapos na tayo sa pagtutour. Kamusta ma ang pagtutour mo?
Enjoy naman.
Nabibilisan lang daw siya sa salita ng tour guide. Pero ano, at least nailipot namin. Tapos ngayon ay Zion's time na. Punta na natin si Spider-Man sa baba. Pero grabe, nice din na nakapag-tour kami dito kasi ang daming places na hindi ko alam pa. And para at least pagbalik namin dito ni Mami, which is feel ko na mapapadalas ay alam na namin ang mga pupuntahan. Si Zion, dance na oh. Can you show me your dance? Magda-dance ka sa baba ha with Spider-Man and Rumi. Okay?
I don't want to dance. I want to play.
Okay, come on. Hey, andito na tayo kay Spider-Man. Ano, everyone is free to join, to play with them. Nawala na si Rumi. Siguro break time. Go! Spider-Man! I'll take a picture of you, ha? Go! Sai, come on. Let's go to Spider-Man. Come on. Naiya pa si Bulinggit ko eh. Ito si Spider-Man, oh. Bola. Tapos may face painting dun, guys, oh. Painting. So, dance party to, guys. Dance lang ng dance sa gitna. Masaya dito, no? Hindi ko alam kung every weekend to or ngayon lang to, pero ang nice kasi naabutan natin yung ganitong activities. Oh my God! May snakes dito. Nakakatakot! Oh my God! It's moving its head! Oh my God! Oh my God! Tapos pwedeng hawakan ng mga kids, guys. Ito nakakatakot. Grabe, no? Ang nice naman ng araw na pagpunta natin. Oh my gosh. Natatakot ako doon sa snake. Tingnan mo yung dila niya, oh. Scary. Oh my gosh. So guys, andito na si Rumi. Zion, come on. I'll take a picture of you with Spider-Man. Come here. Ay. Oh, you say hi. You say hi. Face paint tayo kay Zion. Si Mario and Sonic. Sonic daw ang gusto. Dog, cat, Sonic, Mario, Butterfly, Batman, Spider-Man.
I want this.
Sonic, okay. Pila muna tayo. 1,000. Yun. Hindi, may nakapila pa sa atin. Buti guys, 4 yung gumagawa sa face paint. Dati kasi may na-attendant kami sa Radium. Isa lang, grabe yung or 2, grabe yung pila ng mga kids doon. Tapos inabot na kami ng oras. Pero at least dito 4, tapos wala na masyadong pila. So, si Zion na yung next. You want Sonic? Okay. Okay, it's Zion's turn. Be ready to turn into a Sonic. Is that him?
That's what you like.
You like? Okay. May pinakita. So, yun yung gagawin sa face niya. Nice, no? Dami activities. Yung little chick yung lalagyan. So, buong mata yung Sonic. So, ito guys, yung gagayahing mukha. Ni Sonic.
I'm going on your eyes, okay?
First time ni Zion yung sa mata talaga kasi yung sa Radium namin, chick lang yun. Magiging Sonic na siya. Puntahan natin yung dance party with Rumi. So palitan nga sila, si Spider-Man naman ang wala. Nice, diba? Atayin lang natin si Zion matapos sa kanyang face painting. Mao. Grabe.
So beautiful. I can try and get her to go back. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ito na guys, nabubuo na si Sonic. Yan, following this picture. Buti behave si Zion. guys, yung nag-face paint pala ay si Ate Shilpa. Ano, kung kailangan nyo ng mag-face paint in any of your parties, you can contact yan, Shilpa Bagewadi. Ito yung number niya. Diba? And she can do this stuff. Tapos kung wala dito, wala dyan sa mga nakalagay dyan, yan, pwede niyang i-research tapos gagayahin niya yan. So, si Zion kasi gusto Sonic dahil dun dapat sa kabila. Pero dito yung nag-open na pila. Kaya yan. Diba? May paggagayahan na Sonic. Ay, ang daming balahibo. Malapit na matapos ang ating Sonic guy. Natatawa. Na guys, si Sonic Boy. Wow. I'll take a picture and send to Daddy, okay? Oh, come on, come on. You smile.
You can choose anything from there.
So, mga napagod na ang nag-tour, tas nag-face paint. And may naman tayo nakita dito, oh, free snacks.
Snacks to?
Oh, free. Ayan, oh, take a snack. 12 to 3 p.m. free. So, get juice.
What do you want?
Ma-juice ka. Ayan, oh, grabe. At nagdala pa kami ng mga baon. Pero nakakatuwa. Kasi may pa-free. So, I'll take apple. Correct. Thank you. Zion, you want Rice Krispies? Daming food. Meron na. May mga tarantula, guys. Butterfly. Mga ladybugs. Ito, oh. So, kanina reptile ito mga bugs. It's nice, no? Let's go, come on, doon tayo sa kabila. Andito si Spider-Man tsaka si Rumi. Ayaw magpa-photo ni Zion eh. Nahihiya. Ayan guys, oh. Ayun yung tarantula.
Yeah, let's let Spider-Man have a turn, because then I think he's probably
Zion!
go Spidey.
Oh, si Spider-Man magtatry.
Grabby on the
Zion, tinan mo si Spider-Man. He will try. He will hold it. Oh my.
I don't know if the person is behind the Spider-Man is here. Moving on.
Oh, wow.
Get back on the hand. Back on the There we go.
Yan ang naging source ng power ni Spider-Man. See, it's awesome. Zion.
Are you gonna hold the spider? She's very friendly, I promise.
So guys, snaps muna tayo and drinks. Grabe, napagod din ako sa naging tour natin and everything. Yan o, ito si Sonic. Show your nose. Ang ganda dito, no? Mag-spend ng weekend sa Calgary Public Library. So, check natin kung meron ulit ganito next week. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
A lot!
I'm Sonic, guys.
And what did you say?
Thank
Parang hindi mabalik.
Don't ligo me. Sabi
Don't
mo?
look at me when the Sonic take off.
Bakit?
Because it's gonna take off and I will cry.
Wag daw siya paliguan, guys. At matatanggal ang kanyang Sonic na maskara. So, mga isang linggo kang ganyan. 1 week. No?
1400.
Oh, 1400 days. Oh my God. Baho ka na nun.
Some people would rather get a cool picture, so I'd rather.
Want to see that?
This is low rider.
That's a leaf.
I know, the elbow pit is the most tickly place of the body. I'm sensitive. Oh, you're sensitive. I am sensitive.
Sa tarantula, Zion. Wow.
How are you?
Thank you. Tuloy pa rin guys ang summer party ng mga kids with Rumi and Spider-Man. Si Zion nakipag-play ng ball kay Rumi. Kanina nahihiya pa eh. Ngayon, siya na yung kalaro ng bola ni Rumi. Pero yan, I think malapit na rin sila matapos kasi alam ko hanggang 2:30 lang to. So 2:20 na, kaya feel ko nagra-wrap up na rin sila. So ito ang ating view. Ito na si Sonic na pagod. Ha? Pawisan ka na.
Let me see.
Yeah, let me
Let me
see.
see me.
Okay. Pawis ka na. Ayan, magme-melt na yan. But it's okay pa.
Don't put your hand on
Gagawa sila na, ano ba to?
Put it down. There you go.
Wow!
There's your sticker.
Wow! Then the next step will be there.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, next step. Here. To make it like a...
It's a bit tough. Ah, you got it. Nice. And then to B. And pull it towards you. Yeah.
Yeah, you wait. You're the next step.
And nice.
And
High five, you did it. Nice. Who's next? You're next and then you're next? Okay. So here,
yeah, just fall in line, okay?
we'll see. You either get in line or you wait till... Yeah, and then your paper. Put your paper down there. Yeah. And then put the plastic on top of it. And then we put this in and put this in here, squeeze this side up. Okay, pull this towards you. All the way, all the way, all the way.
Very
Yeah,
good.
and up, pull it up. And then
Bottom
we
make
flip,
her.
and then you pull it towards you again. All the way, both hands. Both hands, yeah, okay, and pull it up. Nice!
Wow.
You did it! Look at that!
Good job,
High
Zion.
five!
Yay.
Awesome! Did you sign up for some reading class?
Yeah, we'll be signing up soon.
Okay, put this
Thank
in
you.
here.
Thank you.
What's this for?
It's a button.
What bottle?
Like, you can put it in here. See? Put it in your shirt. So yan guys, nakaupo rin. Mga pagod-pagod na. Pero yung isang bata, ay naku, tumakbo na naman, no? Yan, grabe. Enjoy na enjoy dito sa lahat ng mga activities na makikita sa Calgary Public Library. So, yun nga, tininan ko pala yung Google. Yan, kung ano ba yung activity na napuntahan namin kanina. Weekly ba yun or what? So, ngayon lang pala siya. And then, yung next event ay gaganapin sa different library. So, every week or every 2 weeks sa iba't ibang library, magkakaroon ng summer activity kung tawagin nila. So, meron ding sigurong Spider-Man, Rumi, and mga animals, yung reptile party, na kung nakita nyo, patagin face painting. So, tingnan nyo na lang kung saan kayo malapit, no, sa mga susunod nilang activities para kung gusto nyo maka-join ay makapunta kayo. Kami kasi, tsambahan lang, hindi ko nakita na may ganitong activity pala. Binalak lang namin talaga mag-explore dito sa Calgary Public Library. Pagod na si Lola Rubin. So, maya-maya din, lipat naman kami ng pwesto para ma-explore pa natin ang library. So, nakahanap tayo ng spot dito. Ito. Ayan, no? Nauutusan tayo. This one. Great thing. Ayan, no? Kasi may binubuo si Zion. Ayan, bawat anggulo talaga dito. Pagkakaabalahan ng mga bata. So, dito na rin kami tatambay ni Mami para malapit kay Zion. Grabe. Millions of books, guys. So yun guys, no, sabi nga pala ng tourist guide, and dati rin yata na research ko na rin, pero nakalimutan ko na yung halaga ng pagtatayo nitong Central Public Library ng Calgary is nagkakahalaga ng $245 million. So sa $245 million na yun, 170 plus, ganyan, or 170 million ay yung worth ng lote na galing sa City of Calgary. So, ano din to parang pinaglikom-likom na mga donation, yung mga nagbibigay na mga mayayaman para lang ma-create at ma-build itong Calgary Public Library. Sobrang amazing, ang ganda ng structure, 'di ba? Ang daming nakikinabang rin talaga, lalong-lalo na yung mga kids dito. Hindi lang kids, nakita nyo naman may teens. Pwede ka rin dito mag-aral, yung nakita nyo kanina. So, kanina lang naman yung maingay kasi may event, may tugtog. Pero ngayon is, dito lang sa kids yung, syempre may sounds kang maririnig na nagpi-play. Pero sa taas, and quiet na yun, pwede kang mag-aral, mag-review for an exam or anything. So guys, ayun, nakaka-amaze. Ang ganda at ang laki ng library dito. Ang daming programs para sa kids. Yan, kung pwede daw mag-join or mag-join, ayan, ini-encourage nila yung mga kids to join. A lot of activities, lalo na ngayong summer. Alright. So, yan, pauwi na tayo guys. No, una kasi, balak namin antayin na lang dito si Alwin, kaya lang napagod na ang lola nyo. Tapos, balak pa sana namin mag-Devonian Garden. So, malapit lang din yun dito, magti-train lang kami. Pero, marami pa namang next time kasi si Tita Nora ay nagyaya sa amin ng dinner. Ayan, mag-dinner daw sa kanila. So, magpe-prepare din tayo ng something para may dalhin. Ayan, para pagdating ni Alwin ay ready na rin ang ating dadalhin. So, yun guys, no. Mukhang dito na natin tatapusin ang vlog na ito. Again, we had fun today dito sa Calgary Public Library. Ma-post ka nga dyan. Bye-bye. Magbabay ka. So, yan, no. So, babalik kami dito for sure. Lalo na, syempre, ang daming pwedeng gawin ni Zion dito. Alright guys, so we'll see you again on the next one. Peace!